Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 4 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their password and email that is provided by the administrator. So let me just check everything. So the lesson today we covered that is choose numbers with a particular quotient. Divide by the one digit numbers, estimate the quotient divisibility rules and divisibility rules word problems. Okay, so let's get started. So here is your website. So you can select the grade 4 maths, view all chapters. Here are the list of the chapters. So today we are on division. So let's get start with this. Most of the lessons we covered. So today we are on choose numbers with a particular quotient. So here are the questions. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Okay. So which two numbers have a quotient of 8? As we know that you are going to divide two numbers, okay? Uh, Sorry everyone, I was just checking my mic and everything. Hello everyone, hi. Okay. So here are the four numbers are here, okay? Like 5, 6, 21, and 48. You are going to select the two numbers, then you are going to divide these two numbers and that get the answer 8. So which two numbers? Like we are just selecting that numbers and then dividing. First of all, let me take first these two numbers, that is 5 and 6. Let's divide this one. 5 is putting outside and 6 inside of that one. So 5 times which number closer to 6? As we know that from the table of 5, that becomes 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So this one is the bigger. So we always putting the smaller number and the most closest number. Okay. So here is the smallest or closest number is 5 times 1 is 5. So let's put it here and then just subtracting we are getting the answer 1. And here is the quotient 1 and remainder 1. So it means that these two numbers are not included. Let's taking some another. Let's choose 6 and 21. Let's divide 6 over the 21 as we know that 6 times 3 is 18, that is closer, and then the remainder is still not. But when we are taking these two numbers 6 and 48, let's get divide and then check the answer, okay? So putting the 48 inside and 6 is outside. So 6 times which number that is closer to 48? Everyone tell me. Divide this one and then tell me everyone in the chat, please. Do it fast. So I'm going to put the table. First of all, let's write together. Then 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. That is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. Now look at here. We are getting, finally we are getting, so 6 times 8 is 48. Now here your quotient is 8. So that means this is your answer. That is the quotient of 8. Okay. So first box is in the 6 and in the second box it would be 48. All right. Let's do the next one. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the deviant sentence. Again, we are looking for a numbers in the box that 8 as a factor. So 40 and 5. Let's divide 5 time. Which number is 40? Everyone tell me. Everyone just tell me, please. Do it. Let's do together, okay? 40 and that is 5. So as we know that 5 times 8 is 40. So this 8 we are going to put here. So now the 8 is your answer. I'm not feeling well, that's why my voice is not the same just like the previous. Okay, so look at here now. Everyone focus please here and then tell me the answer. So choose two numbers from the box to complete the deviant sentence. Okay, it's 4, 5, 30 and 47. Two numbers to make the remainder 6. Sorry, quotient 6. So which two numbers? Let's select the two numbers. So 5 and 30. Let's check these two. So I'm going to put 30 inside and 5 is outside. So 5 times 6 is 30. Is it right or wrong? Everyone tell me, is it right or wrong? So 5 times, so 5 times 6 is 30. So here we are going to put the answer that is 6. Yes, this is right. So here is the remainder 6. Okay. Now let's do some test questions and everyone tell me the answer. Okay. So which two numbers from the box to complete the sentence? 5, 6, 21 and 48. Which two numbers have a quotient of 8? That is 6 and 48. As we know that we already done it because. Okay. Yes, this is the right answer. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. 5, 6, 22 and 42. Which two numbers have a quotient of 7? Check it out everyone and then tell me please. Solve this question you all. You have a 1 minute to do it. 6 and 42. 6 times 7 is 42. Okay. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the deviant sentence. 2, 4, 12 and 63. Okay. So which two numbers make the remainder quotient 3? Check it out. Which two numbers divide and then you get the answer 3. So it's 2, 4, 6, 12 and 63. So it means that 4 times 3 is 12. So it means that 4 and 12, these are the two numbers. So we are going to click over that number. Okay. So let's solve this one. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the division sentence. Okay, you guys tell me the answer. Here the answer is 9. So which two number you divide and then get the answer 9? Check it out, every number, and then tell me the answer. Do it fast. Yes, everyone. Option 2. Okay. Now I'll say it's option 2. Very good. Okay, it's option 2, that is 18 and 2. Very good. Okay. Okay, tell me the answer of this one. Everyone solve it and then tell me. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence 7, 28, 36, 58, and which two numbers have a quotient of 4? 7 or 36 or 7 or 7 or 28? Think about it, everyone. Option 1 or option 2? How it's option 1? Check it out again. Yes, everyone, tell me. Solve it on your notebook. Divide 36 over 7 and divide 28 over 7. And then check which answer is 4. It's option B. Yes, good. 28 and 7, because 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, so choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence 7, 42, 73, and 76. So which two numbers have a quotient of 6? 73 7 or 42 7? Divide it and then check the answer, please. 42 and 7. Very good. Hope you guys uh hope you guys understand this lesson. So let's discuss the next lesson so you can solve the rest of the test questions by yourself, okay, related to these lessons. We have done which lesson we have done now? Choose numbers with a particular quotient. Okay. So now we are in divided by one digit number estimate quotients, okay? So let's discuss now. A hockey team wants to sell 856 worth of tickets. If each ticket cost is $4, about how many tickets will the team have to sell to meet its goal? Choose the better estimate. So first of all, we are going to divide 856 over the 4, and then we are going to finding it out the better estimate, okay? 856 divided by 4. So as we know that when you're going to divide the 856 over the 4, so the first is 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So let's just put it 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, here is the subtraction, that is nothing. So let's putting down this 5. 4 times 1 is 4, then 5 minus 4 is 1, putting down this 6. 4 times 4 is 60. This is 214. So the best estimate is 220 or 210. You guys tell me. Which one is more closer? 220 or 240? Yes, obviously it's 210. Okay, so the 210 is the better estimate. Alright. A bakery received a shipment of 67 peaches. If it takes 8 peaches to bake a peach pie, about how many peach pie can the bakery make? Choose the better estimate. 67 divided by 8. How much of it? 67. And then how many? That is 8. So 67 divided over 8. Let's check. So as we know that the table of 8, let's count it. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. And 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 9 is 72. 72 is a very bigger, okay, to the 67. So 8 times 8 is 64. That is better. So 8 times 8 is 64. How much left? That is 3. So this is basically the thing which is 8. So a clothing store has a 77 sweaters. If the sweaters are stored in piles of 6, about how many piles should the store make? Choose the better estimate. Divide the numbers of sweaters by number in each pile. Okay? Divide the number of sweaters by the number in each pile. So it's 77 sweaters, and how many piles? That are 6. So let's just divide 77 over the 6 and then check our answer. It's 77 and that is divided over 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 is left and then 7. 6 times 2 is 12. It's 5 is left. So it means that here is 12. But when we see this number, this is 5. So this moves to the 13. Okay. So let's do the next. To build a new store, Shannon's construction needs 37 ceiling tiles if the ceiling tiles come in package of 2. Okay, so about how many packages should the construction company buy? Choose the better estimate. So 37 divided over 2. Let's check. Okay, So this is 37 and divided over 2. Let's divide. So now you guys tell me, how can we divide it? Everyone solve this question on your notebook, please, and then tell me the answer. 2 is divided by 37. What's the answer? 2 times 1 is 2. After subtraction, 1 is left, then it's 7. 2 times 8 is 16. And 1 is left again. It's 18. So when we see the better estimate, it's 19. Okay. So here, a group of 99 people is going on a boat tour. Boat holds 4 people, so how many boats will the group need? Choose the better estimate. Again, the same thing. So how many people that are 99, and how many people hold the boat that are 4? So 99 divided by 4. Let's check. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 is left, then 9. 4 times which number is closer to 19? 4 times 5 is 20, but 4 times 4 is 16. 3 is left. So it means that's 24, or you can say that at 25, which is a better estimate. Okay. A chef needs to buy 53 potatoes if each bag contains 7 potatoes. They are talking about the bags. So, about how many bags should the chef buy? Choose the better estimate. Okay, so this is divide the number of potatoes by the number in each bag. Number of potatoes divided by the number of basically chef needs to buy 53 potatoes and each bag contains the 7, so divide 53 over the 7. Let's check. So 7 times which number is closer to 53? 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, that is 4. 4 is left. It's 7. So you can say that a 7 or 8. Mostly it's the 8. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Okay, so you can solve the rest of the lesson question and as well as the test by yourself. And if you still need any help, then you can contact the tutors. So these two lessons are done. Now let's discuss the next divisibility rules. Okay, these are very important. So 7713, is it divisible by 5? So the first rule that we see, we are going to check the last digit. If the last digit is multiple, you can say that a last digit is the multiplicative, or you can say that it comes in the table of that one. So we are saying that this is divisible by that number. Like for example, here is 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. So it means that this is the multiple of that. But here is 3. So 3 is not multiple of 5. So we can say that it's cannot be divided over 7713. Is 36,198 divisible by 6? 198. So 60 is divisible by 27. Look at here. First of all, finding the multiple of that bigger number. This is 2 times 3 is 6. When you're getting adding the number, that is 27. So 3 times 27 is closer. So 3 times 9 is 27. Yes, so this is divisible. Okay. 57,153 is divisible by 9. Here it's 3 and here it's 9. So first of all, we are going to add up all the numbers. That is 21. And here it's 9. So it's not 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27. So it means that it not comes in like in the table of this one. Okay, this is not the divisible. So 27,761 is divisible by 9. Let's check it out. Add up all the numbers, then divide over 9, then tell me. Everyone solve this question. This is so easy. Yes. 27,761 is divisible by 9. So after division, you're going to add firstly 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1. That becomes 23. Okay. So divide 9 over 23. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. So it cannot comes in 23. So we are saying that this is not divisible by that table. Okay. That's it. Let's do next. Is 921,960 divisible by 10? There is 0 in the end. So we can say that yes. If there is 0, then any table is divisible. Okay. The other one is same. 20,700 divisible by 10. Yes, because 0 0 both are same in the end. So we can say that yes, it is divisible. Okay. I hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So you can solve the rest of the so you can solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay, if you still need any help, then just contact the tutors. Divisibility rules word problems. Let's do it now. Okay, guys, everyone read this question and then tell me the answer. So Wilson's little sister is playing with block. She wants to put all 22 of her block into the stakes with the same number of blocks in each stake. So how many blocks could Wilson's sisters put in each stake? So how many of it? It's 22. So first of all, they are saying that we are going to evenly divide each number. First try like 2. 2 times dividing 2 over 22, that is 11. Okay, it means that 2 is divisible. Then next try for 5. No, it's not. 5 is not divisible. So there is 2. That is the answer. Because 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. There are 14 questions on a quiz show. Each category has the same number of questions. So how many categories could there be on the show? Which number evenly divide 14? Try each number. Evenly divide. Okay. First of all, let's try with the 2. So 2 times 7 is 14. Is it 5? 5 is also even number. 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 3 is 15. Then it's 10. No, 10 times 2 is 20. So only the 2 again. Trisha wants to arrange 48 roses into vases. How many roses? 48. She wants to put the same number of roses in each vase without any roses left over. So how many uh, vases could Trisha use? So as we know that which number evenly divides 48? 2. Then you get the answer 24. Again 24, then you get the answer 12. Again 12, then you get the answer 6. Again 6, then you get the answer 3. This one is also true. But when you are going to put 8, 8 times 8 is 48. Again the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So the simple thing that is you are going to select the 2 and then just divide it. Okay. A farmer picked 65 lemons. He needs to divide the lemons into baskets to set all the market. The farmer wants to put the same number of lemons in each bag with no lemons left over. So, how many lemons could the farmer put in each bag? Which number evenly divides 65? Let's check. First divide 10. First divide 2, then 5, then 10. Then check it out one by one. Mostly it's 2, 5, or 10. Okay, mostly we are using these only three numbers like 2, 5, and 10. Let's divide and then check the answer. Okay. So for example, it's 65 when you divide over 2. Okay, it's 64. Answer is, and then it's not like it's in the form of points. So 2 is cancelled. Let's do for 5. Sorry, it's 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. It's 30. When I divide it, okay, 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 3 is 15. So it means that 13 times 5, which the answer is 65. And when we see that thing, let's check in the question. So this is 5. Okay, not 10 because 10 times 6 is 60. Again, 5 is left. So we are not able to do that one. So, farmers Maria collected 25 eggs to sell. She will sell the egg in baskets. She wants to put the same number of eggs in each basket without any eggs left over. So, how many eggs could farmer Maria put in each basket? So, on total eggs are 25. So, you guys choose. First of all, like it start from the 2. Divide it and then tell me, everyone, please. So, first we divide over 2. So when you divide 25 over 2, it's become 12.5. No, it's not possible. So again divide 25 over 5. Dividing 5 over the 25. What's the answer for that now? So it's 5 times 5 is 25. So it means that this is the 5. So each basically Maria put in each basket five eggs. Okay, so Maria could put 5 eggs in each basket. So this is the simple way. First of all, you always choose the smallest one, like 2, and then move to the bigger number like 4, mostly 5 or 10. Okay, Haile bought 72 orange beads to make the necklace for her friend. She wants to put the same number of beads on each basket, on each necklace, and she does not wants to have any beads left over. So how many necklaces could Hales make? Which number evenly divides 72? So there is 72. 2 is in the end. As we know, if 5 is in the end, it means that it comes the table of 5. Okay, like 5 or 10. So if there is 2 in the end, so here is 72. Divide 72 over the 2, and let's check the answer. 2. So 2 times which number? That is 72. 36 times 2 is 72. So here the answer is 36. Let's check, is it right? Yes. So this is 2. So now let's check this one. Farmer Joel has 55 onions to sell. He wants to put the same number of onions in each bag without any onions left over. So how many onions Could farmer Joel put in each bag? Just dividing 55. There is 5 in the end. So it means that 2 is not allowed because there is no multiple of 2 from the 55. Okay? Like it's 5 times 11 is 55. So how can we solve this question? Like it's 55 over the 5. Let's divide it and then check. 5 times 11 is 55. And that is the answer. 5 times 11 is 55. Okay? And this is the answer. Is it right? Yes. So 5 is basically the multi that question. Understand? Because 2 is not allowed. Like there is no table of 2 in that one. Janelle is arranging 25 pictures in a scrapbook. She wants to put the same number of pictures on each page. So how many pictures could Janelle put on each page of the scrapbook? It's 25. Okay. Let's start from the 2. Is there any that is divided over the 25? No, it's not. So because as we know that there is 5 in the end, so we are choosing 5. Okay, let's check. So here is 25, then we're going to divide over 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 is your answer. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this is right. Please you check your mic. There is some sound connections with their mic, because if everyone is clear my voice, then there is only problem with your mic. Okay, check it out please. So a daycare center has 65 children. Each teacher has the same number of children. So how many children could each teacher at the center have? So this is 65. As we know that 6 in the 5 is in the end. So it means that you're going to use the table of 5. So tell me 65 divided by 5, then what's the answer for this? Answer for this one is that is 13. Okay? Like for example, if you are going to choose some numbers, there is 65 and you're going to divide it over the 5. So it's 5 times 1 and 5 times 3 is 15, it's 13. Okay? Yeah, it's 13, it's not 15. It's 13. So we can say that this is the right, but when you are going to divide over the 2, this is wrong. So guys, here today we discussed the grade 4 maths. The chapter name today we discussed that is the division. These are the list of the lessons. So the first lesson today we covered, which is choose number with the particular quotients, divide by one digit, estimate quotients, divisibility rules, word problems. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. And if you still need any help, then you can contact the tutors on this you by using this button. Look at here, select the like which department that you need help, language or maths, then put their name and then just send it. Okay, hope you guys understand the lesson. See you all, have a good day, bye. See you all in the next session, bye.